Compromise with quality of work leads to early damage of street lights in Deep. Deepu boys gear up to clean the town.
Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. The government authority has been doing all means possible to transform and beautify Deepu town. Crores of funds have been spent to improve the condition of infrastructure in the district headquarters. The setting up of solar street lights throughout the town through the Central Infrastructure Development Fund has been one such project which have changed the face of Deepu. However, the lack of proper attendance and the compromise with the quality of work had resulted in the damage of several of them within short time. Under the direction and supervision of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the humble effort of CEM Tuliram Ronghang, the entire Deepu Municipal Board area was lighted by solar street light. However, within a very short span of time, traces of the work being of poor quality and the lack of proper management has surfaced. The street light pole erected near Christian English School in Rongtheang had been lying on the ground for more than 2 months after it was uprooted in during the rain. However, no government bodies had come forward to replace or repair the fallen pole. Some notorious persons have even taken away the battery from its box. People have said that the placement of these street lights, public had lots of benefit in the night. They have alleged that the poor quality of work had led to the early damage. They say that the holes where the poles were not erected were too shallow. Likewise, there are several other solar street lights which are standing without giving light. The traffic light on the police points are among the most evident neglected works of the authority. The traffic lights installed are serving no purpose for a long time now. As such, there are growing chances of accidents in the crossways due to the misunderstanding among the vehicle drivers. Sources have said that funds for such developmental projects in a town are allotted only once in 30 to 40 years. As such, people have shared their opinions that the concerned departments should not only give emphasis on constructing new infrastructures or taking up new projects, but also given equal importance to proper management of the already completed works. Several people have also said that the concerned persons doing the works should not only think to means to gain profits, but also to maintain the best quality in their work. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. With an aim to strengthen the unity of the Karbi students across the region, Moregaon District Committee of Karbi Students Union was formed on Tuesday. Here is more from our correspondent's report. The program was held on Tuesday at Jagirot, Mikirkuchi. The formation of the new district committee was led by the central body of Karbi Students Union. After prolonged discussions, Pradeep Bey and Mridupaban Inti were appointed as the president and secretary respectively for the newly formed district committee. The new body was formed in the presence of central committee members including advisor Ratneswar Ronghang, President Khorsing Teron, Vice President Anil Keleng and Karan Singh Ronghang, General Secretary Arun Teron, members Bhaben Phangcho, Aditi Inglengpi, among others. During the formation of the body, the newly appointed leaders and members were urged by the Central Committee to work with dedication for the cause of the students and the tribe as a whole. Nituraj Ronghang's report from Sonapur, Karbi Anglong Live. In an excellent civic action taken up by some boys of Deepu, they have taken up the task to clean some of the places and pockets of the town where the municipal board has failed to do the cleaning work. Here is a small report on the energetic band of boys. These boys have rejected to wait for the authority to sanction any project of cleaning the town and have not waited for funds from anyone. They have come forward on their own and began the work. Led by some energetic college-going boys including former DGC SUS member Sarbik Hoitiron, Gonojit Inti and YouTuber Mukrang B who joined later. The team had done cleanliness work in some of the filthiest pockets of the town. Beginning from cleaning the ground and repainting the walls of the river
Deephu Riverside Park, popularly known as Hai Ilong Park, the team had cleaned up the foot overbridge near Gandhi Park. People of Deephu would know very well about the condition of this overbridge, which instead of serving a use to the public had been standing as habitat of stray animals and toilet to some brainless humans. However, these groups of boys had cleaned the stools of animals as well as humans. On Tuesday, they had completed 13 days of their cleanliness drive and had cleaned the garbage heaps near Reliance Trends, swept the road near Casa Stadium, Congress Party office and also cleaned up the helipad area at Taralangso. News of their daily activities have been posted in social media platforms and had won the hearts of public. Pleased with their commitments and hard work, several kind-hearted people have been extending their help to the boys as sign of thanksgiving. In fact, the whole town should be thankful to them for their selfless action. Their actions should serve as a lesson of cleanliness to the people. News Desk report, Karbin Long Live.
Joint Director of the Handloom and Textiles Department under KAAC had on Tuesday visited the Danarong office to take stock of the office functioning.
Joint Director Kantoram Ronghang paid visit to the office of the department at Danarong Market. After the establishment of this office and completion of the office building, several women who are interested in weaving or handloom had been benefited. Many items needed for weaving have also been distributed in the past. The handloom office here is mostly concerned with the making of traditional Karbi dresses.
NGO punon self help group atum punon penang kaching thul puson thek punon lo lapen ladak samet asiki samet pipon bom lo pini niltum ladak jasemet labang se helum lo man komri man kelalo PPC department pen our side ki pipa jasemet ka bisoro tumhan pate ki pe ke thak abang ke tumhan PPC asiki ki pipon thekjima pe PPC our side pipon lo ma soka pe PPC ke bang ma layu pu thak ritar lip je pasi ke bang lo
kita kadang he kami hitung pada kilo gamusa dolo, seleng dolo, pini langkong, pini kamplek, ke poho, ke karbiape, fanjari, seleng, lahasi kakong hitung pening kanser kep ando hitung kita.
During the visit, Joint Director Ronghang had stated that he will very soon approach the authority to allot plot of land to establish weaving training center in the area.
Joint Director Sir আছে তেখেতৰ পৰা আমি জানিব বিচাৰিম যে আমাৰ এইটো হেণ্ডলুম অফিচ খোলাৰ পাছত ইয়াক কি ট্ৰেইনিং দিয়া হৈছে আৰু কিমান কেইগৰাকী মহিলাই ইয়াৰ পৰা মানে ট্ৰেইনিং ল'ব পাৰিছে আৰু কি আঁচনি আহিছে আৰু কি মানে ধৰক সুবিধাবিলাক আহিছে সেইবোৰ কথা আমি জানিব বিচাৰিম হেণ্ডলুম বিষয়ে
আমাৰ একচুৱেলি মানে এই প্ৰডাকশ্যন চেণ্টাৰ হেণ্ডলুম প্ৰডাকশ্যন চেণ্টাৰ হয় ইয়াত তেনেকৈ ট্ৰেইনিং নহয় আমাৰ যিখিনি শিপিনী জমা শিপিনী আছে ঘৰত বহি থাকে এদিন তেখেতসকলক ইয়াতে মানে প্ৰডাকশ্যন কৰিবলৈ কোৱা হয় আৰু প্ৰডাকশ্যন কৰাৰ বিনিময়ত তেখেতসকলক ৱেজেছ হিচাপে দিয়া হয়.
The Joint Director was accompanied by VDC Chairman Thorom Singh Kro, with whom he held discussion for the land needed for the training center. Bikram Teron from Danarong, Karbin Long Live.
Well, that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbin Long Live. Have a good day.